On today's video, I'm going to teach you a good niche that you can start today on Facebook and monetize in the next 3 months. So a lot of people has really quit content creation because they don't even know the niche that they want to go into. They have this zeal to start content creation, but the niche that they want to go into has become a hindrance. This video is going to give you total insight on the kind of content, the kind of niche that you can go into today, and the next 3 months you monetize and start making money on this app. So the first one is known as family content. So a lot of us has families. Whether you are married or not, you have family, you have where you are living, you have people around you, you have yourself. So you can start making content with yourself or your family. Maybe you have siblings around you, your husband, your wife, your extended family, your house help, or anybody that is around you, your gate man, whoever it is that is around you. You can start documenting everything you do once you wake up. Whether you are brushing your teeth, you are eating, you are preparing food, you are going out, anything you are doing, you can start recording it today and you start uploading it on your page. And trust me, people are interested to know how others run their family. So once you start uploading this kind of content, it is very, very certain that people will watch, and depending on how you deliver your content, you will see that you grow massively and you be able to monetize, and you stick to that niche and start making money in this blue app. The second one is known as Handwork vlogging. So a lot of us have handwork. You have the particular work you do, be it makeup, be it sewing, be it hairdressing, be it carpentry work, be it electrical work, POP and the rest, decoration and the rest of them. There are a lot of people with handwork out there. You can actually turn your handwork into content. Trust me, this is an untapped kind of content. A lot of people are there who are eager to learn hairdressing. A lot of people are there who are eager to learn how to do makeup. A lot of people are there who are eager to learn carpentry. They are eager to learn electrical works, how to do decoration, how to do ties, how to lay foundations and the rest. Just turn your handwork into contents. Whether you're a driver, whatever you do, turn it into contents. Create a page specifically for this niche and be creating content back to back on that particular niche, that handwork that you know. And trust me, you get viewers, because these viewers will follow you because they actually love what you are doing. The third one is cooking niche. So there are a lot of housewives there that they stay at home, dress the kids, cook, and they cook almost every time. So you can actually record yourself, get a good camera and start recording your process of cooking when you are going to the market, the ingredients that you use to cook, whatever you do when you are cooking, and record your final food when you are finished cooking, and create a page, a branded page that teaches people how to cook, the kind of food you cook, the ingredients that you use in cooking your food. Upload it on your page, and trust me, you'll be able to monetize, and this niche actually pays very well. So you can start this niche today and you monetize if you know how to cook and how to edit your videos and deliver voiceover on your video. The fourth one is lifestyle. So there are a lot of people that are working out there. In the morning, they wake up, they bathe, they eat, and they go out for their daily activities. So you can actually brand this kind of activities as contents. So when you wake up, you keep your camera one side, you document what you do, how you pray, you brush, cook food, prepare food, dress up, and you go out. Maybe what you see outside there, maybe you are in public transport. If you have your personal car, you can also on your camera and video things that you see when you are going to work. And when you are at work, you can also record yourself, the kind of things you do, your lifestyle, when you are going out, what you do in the weekend, the places you visit, the friends, everything around you. Can practically record them and turn it into your lifestyle content. Once in a while, you can come on video and tell people, this is what I do at my leisure time, this is what I find interesting, these are my hobbies, these are what I don't like doing, this is how my relationship is going, this is who I like. You can turn all these stuffs into content and upload it on your page. This is called lifestyle. You share people what your life is, your personal life is. As you all know, last week that I went to the East, I did a kind of video to tell people, oh, I am in the East, this is what I came to do in the East, this is what I saw on the road. You can document all this stuff and you upload it on your page. A lot of people will engage because most people love things that actually talks about someone. They want to know how someone is living their life, how they move, the kind of life they live. They can model from you and integrate into the way they live their life. So the fifth one is motivational speech. A lot of people need people to motivate them. Some have goals, but they don't have the push. Okay, so they need people to tell them, yes, if you do this, do this, do this, you are going to get there. Many people love this kind of content, motivational speeches. So you can brand that, get books. There are a lot of books out there. There are a lot of websites that talks about inspiration. There are a lot of videos, a lot of authors. Make research, compile them together, come before your camera and give motivational speeches to people, very short videos, and upload on your page. And trust me, you get organic followers and it will go viral once a video peaks on your page. The sixth one is relationship advice. As we all know, at a point in our life, we go into relationships and most people are novice. They don't know the do's and don'ts in relationship, while others have gone into a lot of relationships. So they have ideas, they have experiences of what it takes, what to do in the first month of relationship, what to do on a first date and the rest. So you can actually make research about what you are supposed to do in the first date, what you are supposed to do as a boyfriend, as a girlfriend, as a wife. You can compile this thing into videos, into contents, come before your camera and you advise people on what to do, do's and don'ts based on facts. Don't lie to people, being facts, and you share it. You can also use your past relationship if you have any, and trust me, people are going to be interested because a lot of people needs relationship advice. And then we have the reaction videos, reaction and ranting as we call it. So this kind of video involves you picking up things that are trending and airing your view on them. This is a very rampant kind of content that people cash out from a lot because you always talk about things that are trending, things that people are interested to hear. So you pick a trending topic and you say what you think about it. Either you support what happened or you give personal advice or what you think about maybe someone that is trending or an event that is trending, and you are going to upload it on your page. And this kind of content, you don't need to sit and start thinking of the kind of content you need to post. What you do is follow news channels that give updates of things that are trending, pick videos, attach images, come before your camera, and you do what you have to do your content, and you upload and you make money from those videos. The eighth one is skit making. A skit making is you having an idea of a content that you want to do, then you take your phone, you video yourself doing that skit, acting that idea that you have in your brain, and you upload it. Mind you, skit making requires resources because sometimes it will require someone to video you, a videographer. It will require to get maybe advanced camera, and it will also require you to pay some people to come and follow you, interpret that idea that you have in your head. So skit making is an evergreen kind of content because if you go into skit making, in the next 20 years, you'll be earning from those videos, provided they are premium and good content. So skit making is another type of content creation that you can go into and make money from it. But just have in mind that you have to have little resources unless you have editing skills that will require you to clone yourself with some editing app, then interpret your idea, your skit, add your skit yourself, and you upload on your page and you make money from it. The ninth kind of niche that you can go into today that is untapped, this niche is untapped, is healthy lifestyle advice. Healthy eating, it can be healthy eating, it can be healthy living, it can be exercise, it can be the kind of drugs to take, the risky, health is very important. Everybody is interested in health, in their health. regardless of your social status, regardless of how rich you are, you need to be held in order for you to enjoy everything that you have. So people are interested to know the kind of lifestyle that are going to live that will improve their health and make them stay longer on the surface of this earth. So you can go into healthy advice, but note, you have to be a medical practitioner or you have to know things about healthy living before you start sharing, because this niche involves lives. So they don't take it easy on people that share informations that are not right, that are not real, that are not helpful, that are fake. So make sure you're a health practitioner, or you know about what you are sharing, or you are modeling from someone who is a health practitioner. In this way, you will be able to come up with content ideas about health that will benefit people. And trust me, you get organic followers. This niche is untapped. I have a lot of niches under this health niche that I can tip to you guys. If you are interested, just leave a comment and I will tip some specific sub niche in this health niche that you can go in, focus on them, and in 2-3 months your page will boom. The 10th kind of niche that you can go into is prank. Prank videos are everywhere and they go viral a lot. They get a lot of views. You can also do staged content. They call them prank or stage content. You can go talk to people. I want to shoot a video with you, but I want it to be as if it's a prank, or I'm taking you unaware. So this kind of content tends to go viral a lot because people are interested to watch pranks, the outcome of this prank, and people are always ready to watch from the beginning of the video to the end to see the reaction of the person you pranked or the person that you did unaware content with. Okay, so this kind of niche is hot, is very hot, but make sure you don't take it to the extreme end that will make them to flag your page. Another niche is dancing. If you know how to dance, you can dance in your house. Okay, you can jump on trends, kind of dancing the trends that are everywhere, and you can do your video right at the comfort of your home or in your compound or in your street. You can go into the market and you do your dance, record yourself with a good camera, and you upload on your page, and people who love dance a lot will follow you. Then the 13th and the final kind of niche that you can go into and monetize very quick is African stories or crime stories. This kind of contents can be monetized quickly. They can be monetized quickly, especially African folk tales. If you know stories about our forefathers, those 30 stories, those African stories, you can turn into a storyteller, make research, get the fact about a particular story that you want to make content on, script it, and you are going to tell the story yourself using images in the background and doing little editing. If you are interested to know how to do this kind of folk tales and the crime stories, you can DM me and I'll give you a guide, a kind of course that will help you to actually do this thing perfectly and monetize it on Facebook. Okay, so these are the 13 niches that if you go into them today, focus on them, be consistent, in the next 3-4 months you monetize and you start making money. If this video was helpful, please don't watch it without sharing, and also don't forget to leave a thumb up, like this video, and share it for more people to see it. Till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibike. Don't forget, keep creating.